guys, welcome to another Card Obsessions. That's where I do my monthly favorites every month, just showing you what I've bought. Honestly, this video is just for me a chance to hang out with you guys. I'm going to start doing more Facebook Lives with you because I know it's hard for me to post super regularly on YouTube. In case you guys haven't heard, Makeup Geek is now in Target, so I've been so busy the last few weeks trying to come up with product for them because there's even more exciting news coming up next year. I will update you on that later. So that's why I've kind of been MIA a little bit, but I'm back. So I wanted to give you guys just a chat session and show you what my current obsessions are right now, my favorite things. I bought this all myself with my hard-earned money. So let's start out first with the fashion. So I went to Nordstrom the other day, and they have such cool stuff. If you guys live in California, go to the one in Torrance. It is bomb. They have the most trendy styles there. It was a really good Nordstrom. But they have this brand called Blanc Noir. And it's a new brand I've never heard of, but they have really cool pieces that are kind of like edgy sporty wear. So they have this jacket that I just did some headshots in. It's so comfortable. It's like this kind of soft, stretchy fabric, so it's just comfortable to wear. It has a really cool hoodie, so if I want to go back to Seattle, wear it with my hoodie, I can, or if it's hot as hell in California, just take the hoodie off and it's still comfortable. So I love this brand a lot. They had a really cute jacket that was etched out. It had black and white, but for some reason the sizing ran really small. I pulled up a large and it looked like a small. I was like, there's no way these girls are getting in that, so I got this jacket instead. But what did fit these girls is this kimono, and this is from Topshop at Nordstrom. It's so comfortable. It's so glamorous. I didn't think I could pull off yellow, but Anne was like, oh yeah, you could pull that off. So hi, Anne. But I tried this on, and it's so easy breezy. It's I don't know, it's just so comfortable. It doesn't wrinkle at all. It wasn't too expensive. I really like that a lot, so I'm hoping they come out with more colors. So this is from Topshop. It does run really large. I got a size 8, which I'm obviously not a size 8 at all, but because it's a kimono and I like them to be a little more fitted, that's the size I got. But you can get that at Nordstrom or at Topshop online. And then let's do makeup. Actually, let's do jewelry. So I also got a few brands of jewelry, and you guys always ask me what jewelry that I wear, and a couple of the pieces are more pricey and some of them are less expensive. For me, I don't care about the price point for jewelry. I just buy it if I like it. And obviously I don't want to buy everything high-end because I'm like, I got other stuff I like to buy, like makeup and stuff. So I get a mixture of things. So I wanted to show you both options, but the really thin, delicate jewelry that you'll see a lot on some influencers and celebrities are really pretty pieces, but they are pricey. It's by Lana Jewelry. And she has pieces like this. Like, they're very good designs, but they're very delicate jewelry like that. So I have these hoops that I've worn because you guys know I love dangly earrings and hoops. And then the other one by her are these. They look like the Jesus fish, don't they? They look like the Jesus fish you see on back of people's cars. But what you do is you wear it this way and you loop it through your ear hole, and you can wear it like this. And it's just a really cool, funky design. So that is by Lana, L-A-N-A jewelry. I'll link to everything below so you guys can check it out. They are pricey, just a warning. So I'm not saying go out and buy it. I'm just saying it is an option if you want like staple pieces that you'll wear for a long time. The other brand that I like that is less expensive, that's amazing as well, is Halogen. Hold on, this is getting all tangled here. Come on, jewelry. These are my funky ones. I got them on the clearance aisle, and they're really cute. They're these like dangly balls. Aren't those fun for like photo shoots and stuff? So Halogen has cute styles. Did I just turn British? I did. Yes, I did. They have cute styles. And they have some hoops like this. I think these are Halogen ones. And these are like $40, so not too pricey at all. And they're still pretty good quality, so I like that brand a lot. And then the last brand that I really like is called Gorjana. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But they have these necklaces. Of course I would get it tangled, you guys. I am the queen of tangling necklaces. I always have my mom do it. I'm like, Mom, I start turning into a like 5-year-old. I'm like, Mom, my jewelry's tangled. Can you help me? And she's like, give it to me. But they have these cool necklaces that you could wear as chokers, or you can pull it down like this, and you pull it both sides. Anyways, I won't demonstrate it now because I got it tangled, but you can wear it at different lengths, so it's really, really cool. These were $40 as well, so not too pricey, and it comes in gold and rose gold. So isn't that pretty? It's just a very delicate jewelry, kind of like the Lana style, but way less expensive. So that's some options for you guys. And then let's do makeup. And you guys know at the end that I have a funky item. You gotta watch till the end to see what it is. It's really funky this time, just saying. So I'm really obsessed with the Makeup Geek Power Pigments right now, and I'm not saying that because I own the brand. I really do love these a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been wearing pink and orange eyeshadows all the time. Every day, all day. And so I've been wearing these two. It's Invincible, and then what was the other shade? Unleashed and Invincible. So there's 10 colors, and I just like pairing them up with my foiled pigments or just on their own. They blend really well. So if you guys see me wearing pink or orange on Instagram on the last 10 pictures, it's because I love these. That's my combo right now. I gave up Grandstand Foiled Shadow. You guys know I wore that for like 2 years straight, and then I was like, I'm going to give it a break, and now I'm doing the pink and orange thing, so. And then my other favorite product right now that I have in my travel kit is Hocus Pocus Foiled Pigment. The cool thing about foiled pigments is you can put them all over your face. You can wear them on your lips, on your eyes, your face. But this color here is like a rose gold color. So let me show you guys. This right here. And it's just beautiful for everyday wear. You can wear it on your eyes. For deep skin, it looks amazing as a highlighter or just a soft blush right here. It's really, really pretty. So I love the foiled pigments because they give a nice shine to it. They're easy just to throw in your purse, and you can put them wherever you want. You can use your fingers and just literally swipe them on and run out the door. So I really like that one a lot. And then, oh, foundation. So I was shopping at Target, my very, very favorite store. Love you, Target. But I wanted to try a new foundation. I was like, oh, let me see what foundations they have. And Boots No. 7 has this foundation called Beautifully Matte. I'm wearing it right now. I don't know if you guys can see it. See that foundation? It is so flawless, so beautiful. It's an inexpensive foundation. It works really well. I wish they had more shades in the line. That's the only thing I don't like is the shade selection, but the formula itself is really nice. It hasn't broken me out yet, even though it has a little bit of sunscreen, which I'm usually allergic to. But the packaging is just very simple but very effective. It's a nice pump. It comes in a thin tube. I just love everything about this. I've been obsessed with this right now. I mix it with my Dermablend foundation, and then as it gets oily in the summer, I put the matte finish in the center of my face, and it keeps my oil from breaking through. It just looks flawless. So that's what I'm wearing right now, is this and Makeup Geek Power Pigments. Yes. And then my other kind of beauty, oh, the lashes. Velour lashes. I love these so much. I'm wearing them right now as well. This is the brand Velour, but the style is called Girl You Crazy. That's what these are called, Girl You Crazy. I know I am. That's why I wear them. But the cool thing about these lashes, you can wear them over and over and over again. I've worn this pair literally 15 times. I peel off my glue. I lay them flat. It's kind of creepy. Every morning in the bathroom, I walk in half asleep. I'm like, oh, I think it's a spider. I'm like, oh, it's my lashes from last night. I wear them over. So if you guys come to my house, you see lashes all over the house, or one of the dogs will grab them, and you'll see it on the floor, and I always freak out thinking it's a spider. It's my lashes. It's these guys. Girl, you crazy. I am. Ask my mom. She'll tell you. And then, okay, so Bumble and Bumble, the hair products. Bumble, if you're watching, let's have a heart-to-heart. Why did you get rid of your dry shampoo in the colored shades? Why? Who told you to stop stocking it? I didn't even get a chance to buy backups or anything. I had a meltdown in Sephora a couple weeks ago looking for my backup because girl has some baldy spots in my hair. And if you want to know how to get rid of your baldy spots, you spray this on top and it fills in all of the color. Well, Bumble just stopped carrying it. So I think we need a petition to be signed because I'm really upset about this. So my replacement right now that actually works pretty good is the L'Oreal one. Again, I got this at Target. Hi, Target. This is the Magic Root Cover-Up. I get the brown one. It actually works really good. I have it a little bit right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but sometimes when my hair feels thin or I just need some extra color and volume, I put this on my roots and it just makes it look less bald. I'm just going to say it, you guys. So I like that, and it's inexpensive. You can get it at Target, my favorite store. And then I got this at the hairdressers as well. I'm going to look on Amazon and see if you can get it, but when I went to a hair salon in Michigan, she used this to tease my hair because I love big hair. In my past life, I think I lived in Texas. Hi, my Texas girls. Love you guys. but I got this pin comb, and it is such a cool way to tease your hair and get some volume. It looks beautiful. I don't know, I cannot go a day without teasing my hair, but this pin comb works so good. You literally just drag it down a couple times, and it gives you so much volume without like having to strip your hair or anything. I paid, I think, 14 bucks for it. It's by Kimono. So again, I'll try to find that link below. I'll see if they have it on Amazon, which I'm sure they do. So that works really, really good. And then, is that it? Oh, you guys know I like my essential water. I'm gonna drink some now. I'm trying, you guys, to drink water. It's hard. I'm not a water fan. I love coffee and Diet Coke and Coke with Crown Royal in it. I really do. I don't like drinking water, but I'm going to. But when I do, I drink the Essentia because it tastes so good. It actually doesn't make me feel like I'm drinking like water out of the tap. I'm not drinking out of the hose or anything. It tastes really good, so I do like Essentia. Yep, I wish I had coffee instead, but this water is good. You guys know I love Essentia. I've talked about them for a long time. Okay, so now for the funky item. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready? You guys know every month at the end of the video I do a funky item. And every month I'm like, oh, I don't have something funky to share. And then I dug in my purse today. I was like, I do. I have stuff in my purse that I can share. So I'm going to give us pause for a second for all the guys to leave right now, because if you get uncomfortable talking about girl stuff, now is your exit time. Go on. So, girls, you know we get UTIs all the time. They suck. I don't know why we get them. It's always a problem. They hurt. They're horrible. We all have them. The only thing that has worked for me has been Urostat. I know this sounds like a really weird commercial for this, but I swear it works, you guys. They stopped selling it for a while, and I used this other brand. It was crap. I was like, it still hurt. I was in pain. Had to go to the doctor, whatever. So anytime I get one now, I take this, and I swear a few days later, it's instantly gone. So I swear by it every time I get it. I always have this on hand. That's why I have a box in my purse, because I travel a lot, and I'm like, I am not getting one today. So I have this. Works great. You can get it on Amazon. Some drugstores carry it, but it's the only thing that works for me. So yeah, that's my funky item for this week. Urostat. I told you I went there, you guys. I did. I went there. But at least I gave you a warning. So anyways, I hope that helps you guys with any of your shopping stuff and medical issues that you may have. So thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to check out last month's current obsessions and stay tuned for next month's one. So thanks, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.